Now students, see here, so an example. So arrange the following fractions 3 by 10, 7 by 12 and 3 by 15 in descending order. Descending order, how to arrange the given fractions into descending order. First, what is the fraction here? 3 by 10. So first of all, by the pictures, so we have to represent which one is, we have to see which one is a bigger and which one is smaller. See here, here the first one is 3 by 10. So we have to take 3 equal rectangular blocks, first, second and third. 3 rectangular blocks means 3 rectangles with equal lengths, with equal length. The first rectangle, second rectangle and third rectangle. These 3 rectangles are equal in length. And here 3 by 10, this one is 3 by 10, the second one is 7 by 12, the third fraction is 13 by 15. This first rectangle we have to divide into 10 parts. So in the denominator 10 is given, we have to make 10 parts. The second one we have to make 12 parts. The third one we have to make 15 parts. So first rectangle we have to divide into 10 parts. Second rectangle we have to divide into 12 parts. The third rectangle we have to divide into 15 parts. Okay. Then after that, so here we have to shade 3 parts. How many? First, second, third. 3 parts we have to shade. In second, 7 parts we have to shade. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth and seventh. 7 we have to shade, and here we have to shade 13 parts we have to shade. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So if you see this in these 3 pictures, this one is small area we shaded, so it is big area we shaded, so very large area we shaded. It means this value is a bigger value, this value is smaller than this, and this value is very small, very small. So this is a first, if you arrange in descending order, first we have to arrange the bigger one, that is 13 by 15. The second one is 7 by 12 and the smallest one is 3 by 10. This is in descending order. By the picture we can say that directly these are in descending order. So by doing problem, so then how to decide which one is smaller and which one is bigger. So all the time it is not possible to say that, so by drawing a picture, so then which one is smaller, which one is bigger. If denominators, bigger denominators are came like 70, 130, 13 by 70 came. So 1370 blocks we are unable to draw in a book. So it is difficult. So to draw 70 blocks, 30 blocks, 80 blocks like that. Okay. So one method is there in maths. Then how to decide which one is a bigger and which one is smaller. So then take the fractions 3 by 10, 7 by 12 and 13 by 15. First, to decide a bigger or smaller, so first we have to take LCM. First we have to convert the fractions into like fraction. For that we have to take LCM, denominator LCM. 10, 12 and 15. So 10 and 15, these two are divisible by 5. Take 5. 5 2s are 10. 12 as it is. Why? Because this 12 is not divisible by 5. So if a number is not divisible by 5, then we have to take as it is. Then 5 3s are 15. Now we have to take 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 4, 2 6s are 12, and this 3 is not divisible by 2, that we have to write as it is. Then after that we have to take 3. This one as it is, 3 2s are 6, 3, 1s are 3. Again we have to take 2. This one as it is 2, 1s are 2 and 1. Now you multiply. 5 into 2 into 3 into 2. 5 2s are 10. 3 2s are 6. 10 6 are 60. Our LCM is 60. Now in first fraction denominator when you will get 60, 10 6 are multiply by 6 numerator and denominator. In 12 table when you will get 60, 12 5s are multiply and divide by multiply with 5 numerator and denominator. In 15 table when you will get this 60, 4s are 4s are. Now 3 6s are 18 by 60, 10 6s are 60, 7 5s are 35 by 12 5s are 60. Then 13 4s are 52, 13 4s are 52, 15 4s are 60, 15 4s are 60. So now descending order, decreasing order. Decreasing means first we have to take bigger one. 52 by 60 and 35 by 60, smaller than 52 is 35. Then 18 by 60, 18 by, now in basic form. First 52, where is 52? The last one. The last one is 13 by 5, 13 by 15. Then 35 is second one is 7 by 12. Then after that 18, where is this 18? First is 3 by 10. These are in descending order. See by the picture what we decide, 13 by 15, 7 by 12 and 3 by 10. So by doing the problem, by doing sum also, we are getting the same result. Okay. So in this way we have to decide which one is smaller and which one is bigger. So by converting the unlike fractions into like fractions. Okay. Now in exercise 2, the first question, compare the following fractions by converting them into like fraction. So here like fractions, here unlike fractions are given. First we have to convert the given unlike fractions into like fractions. Then after that we have to decide which one is greater and which one is smaller. Now you have to take 7 and 4 LCM. 7 and 4 LCM. So then first you take these two are, one of number is prime number, other one is composite number. You take separate. First you take 7. In 7 table when you will get 7? 7 1s are. This 4 as it is we have to write. Then after that 4 we have to take. This one as it is 4 1s are 4. Now you multiply. 7 4s are 28. 28 is the LCM. In 7 table when you will get 28? 4s are multiplied by 4, numerator and denominator. In 4 table when you will get 28? 7s are multiplied by 7, numerator and denominator. Now 2 4s are 8, 7 4s are 28, 5 7s are 35, 4 7s are 28. If we compare these two, then 8 by 28 is less than, it means 2 by 7 is less than 5 by 4. Then in the same way, so this fraction, first we have to find 5 and 7 LCM. 5 and 7, these two are prime numbers, so we have to take 5 separate and 7 separate. 5 1s are 5 and 7 is not divisible by 5, then we have to take 7 as it is. Then after that with 7, this one as it is 7 1s are 7, then multiply 5 into 7, 5 7s are 35. Then after that in 5 table when you will get this LCM 35, 5 7s are, then multiply numerator and denominator by 7. And in 7 table when you will get 35, 5 7 5s are, multiply by 5. 2 7s are 14 by 35, 5 7s are 35, 5 3s are 15 by 7 5s are 35. 14 is less than 15, so it means 2 by 5 is less than 3 by 5. This is your second question. So here in this question, first so we have to convert these fractions into unlike fractions first. how to change a not like mixed fraction into improper fraction. Improper fraction. Mixed fraction we have to convert into improper. How to convert? First we have to multiply these two. 7 3s are 21 and we have to add this 21 plus 2. 22, 23. 23 by 3. 23 by 3. Now here also we have to multiply. 6 7s are 42. 42 and this we have to add. 42 plus 5, 47. 47 divided by this denominator. Then after that, so we have to compare which one is bigger in this. Find the LCM, 3 and 7 LCM. 3 and 7 both are prime numbers. First we have to take 3. 3 ones are 3 and 7 as it is. Why? 7 is not divisible by 3. Then after that we have to take 7. Then 1 as it is, 7 ones are 7. Now you have to multiply 3 into 7. 3 7s are 21. In 3 table, when you will get 21, 3 7s are multiply with 7. In 7 table, when you will get 21, 3s are multiply by 3. Now, 23 7s are 7 3s are 21, 7 to the 14, 16. 161 by 21. Then 47 3s are 3 7s are 21 to 16. 161 by 21. 161 by 21. So both are equal. Both are equal. So if both are equal, then what sign we have to keep? Is equal to. Is equal to sign we have to keep. So both these fractions are equal. Both these fractions are equal. Okay, students. Here, students, see here. So 47 into 3. 47 into 3. See here. 3 7s are 21, 3 4 12, 13 14 here, 141 here, not 161. It is not equal to. It is 141. So here we did 161. It is not 161. It is 141. 161 and 141. So if you compare 161 and 141, 161 is bigger. It means 7 2 by 3 is bigger than 6 5 by 7. Okay. So now, after that, here arrange each of the group of the fractions in ascending order. Here we have to arrange these fractions in ascending order, either comparing or ascending order or descending order, whatever it is. First we have to convert the given fractions into like fractions. Then how to? First we have to take the LCM of these denominators. So what are the denominators? 3, 6, 9 and 9. All these numbers are divisible by 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9. Then again we have to take 3. So 1 is as it is, the 2 is as it is. Why? Because 2 is not divisible by 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3. Then after that 2 is left, we have to take 2. This one as it is, 2 1s are 2, 1 and 1. 3 into 3 into 2. 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18. 18 is the LCM. Now, in 3 table, when you will get 18, 6 are multiply with 6, numerator and denominator. Again with the second fraction denominator. In 6 table, when you will get 18, 3s are 6 3s are multiply by 3, numerator and denominator. In third fraction denominator 9, when you will get this 18, 9 2s are multiply by 2. Here also with 2. Now 6 1s are 6, 3 6s are 18, 5 3s are 15, 6 3s are 18, 4 2s are 8, 9 2s are 18, 1 2s are 2, 9 2s are 18. Now we have to write ascending order. Ascending order. Ascending order means increasing order. First we have to write smaller one, 2 by 18. Then bigger than this 2 is 6. 6 by 18. Bigger than 6 is 8. 8 by 18. And bigger than this is 15 by 18. That means 2 by 18 is first. Here it is last means 1 by 9. The smallest one is 1 by 9. Then 6 by 18, where is this 6 by 18? The first one, that is 1 by 3. 8 by 18, it is the third fraction, that is 4 by 9. And 15 by 18, 15 by 18 is the second one, that is 5 by 6. 5 by 6. These are in ascending order. So, in this way we have to arrange the given fractions into ascending order. So, here this question. So, this question we have to convert this in like fraction. So, take LCM of the denominators. Denominator LCM 2, 8, 6, 4. All are even numbers divisible by 2. 2 ones are, 2 fours are, 2 threes are, and 4s are. Here 4 2 fours are there. 2 ones are, 2 fours are 8, 2 threes are 6, 2 twos are 4. 2 twos are 4. Again 2 even numbers are there, take 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 3s are 2 ones are 2. Again now you take 2, 1 as it is, 2 ones are 3 and 1. Now you take 3, 1, 1, 1, 1. All are 1 here, now you stop. Now multiply 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 3 is the 24. Now first fraction, in 2 table when you will get 24, 12s are, 2 12s are. In 8 table when you will get 24, 8 3s are. In 6 table when you will get 24, 6 4s are. In 4 table when you will get 24, 4 6s are. Now 12 3s are 36 by 24, 3 by 24, 2 4s are 8, 6 4s are 24, 3 6s are 18, 4 6s are 24. Now we have to arrange in ascending order. Ascending order. First smaller one, 3 by 2, and bigger than this 8 by 24, bigger than 8 is 18 by 24, and bigger than this is 36 by 24. Now 3 by 24 is the second one, so that is 1 by 8. 8 by 24 is third one, that is 2 by 6. 18 by 24 is last one 3 by 4. Next 36 by 24 is the first is 3 by 2. So these fractions are in ascending order. Okay. Now here the third bit, arrange each group of the fractions in descending order. Decreasing order we have to arrange. So first we have to convert these fractions into like fractions. First you take LCM of the denominators. What are the denominators? 6, 4, 3 and 12. Find the LCM. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, these 3 as it is, 2 6s are 12. Again, so maximum numbers in this divisible by 3, then take 3 table. 3 1s are 3, 2 as it is, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 3 2s are 6. Again with 2, 1 as it is, 2 1s are 2, 1 2 1s are 2. Multiply all this, 2 into 3 into 2, 2 is 6, 6 2s are 12. 12 is the LCM. In 6 table when you will get 12, 2s are, multiply by 2. In 4 table when you will get 12, 4 3s are, multiply by 3. In 3 table when you will get this 12, 3 4s are. In 12 table when you will get 12, 1s are, multiply by 1. Then 1 2s are 2, 6 2s are 12, 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 3 4s are 12, 1 7s are 7, 12 1s are 12. Now all are in like fraction. Now descending order. Descending order means decreasing order. First you take bigger one, 16 by 12, then smaller than this 9 by 12, smaller than this 7 by 12, smaller than this 2 by 12. Now 16 by 12, this third one, 4 by 3. 4 by 3. Next 9 by 12. 9 by 12 second one 3 by 4. 7 by 12 last one is 7 by 12 only. 2 by 12 first one 1 by 6. These are in descending order. One more question given, descending order. So write, find the LCMs. 4, 8, 12 and 4. So maximum numbers from these are divisible by 4. Then take 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 4 threes are 12, 4 ones are. Again with 2. 2 ones are 3 as it is, 2 ones are. Next with 3. 1, 3 ones are 3, 1. Now multiply 4 into 2 into 3. 3 to the 6, 6 4s are 24. LCM is 24. In 4 table, when you will get 24? 4 6s are. In 8 table, 8 3s are, multiply by 2. In 12 table, 12 2s are 24, multiply by 2. In 4 table, 4 6s are, multiply with 6. Now 1 6 are 6, 4 6 are 24, 3 3s are 9, 8 3s are 24, 5 2s are 10, 12 2s are 24, 3 6 are 18, 4 6 are 24. Now ascending order, increasing order. So descending order, not it is in ascending, descending order we have to write. Here descending order he is asking. First we have to take bigger one. 18 by 24, then smaller than this 10 by 24, smaller than this is 9 by 24, smaller than this is 6 by 24. Then 18 means the last is 3 by 4. 10 means second last, that is 5 by 12. 9 by 24 is the second, that is 3 by 8. 6 by 24 is the first is 1 by 4. These fractions are in descending order. Okay. Now here next concept, addition subtraction of fractions. Addition and subtraction of a fraction. See here, first one, in this first concept, addition of unlike fractions. If unlike fractions are given, then how to add? The procedure is same. Again we have to convert unlike fractions into like fractions. Then after that we have to add. See here. So what are the fractions given here? 3 by 7 and 7 by 4. 7 by 14. So these two fractions we have to add. Add means plus sign we have to keep between them. Then after that, what we have to do? So we have to take LCM of these denominators, 7 and 14 LCM. So these two numbers are divisible by 7. So we have to take 7. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. So then after we have to take 2. This one as it is, 2 ones are 2. Now you multiply. 7 twos are 14. Okay. Now in 7 table, when you will get 14, 7 twos are, multiply by 2. In 14 table, when you will get 14, 1s are, multiply with 1. Now 3 twos are 6, 7 twos are 14, plus 7 ones are 7, 14 ones are 14. Now these two fractions we converted into like fractions. Then how to add like fractions? So we have to add numerators. Find sum of the numerators by common denominator we have to write. 6 plus 7, 13, 13 by 14. So this is our sum of these two fractions. This is proper fraction, no need to change. This is the final answer. Okay. Whenever unlike fraction is given, first we have to convert unlike fraction into like fraction. Then after that we have to find sum. Okay. Here the next one, addition of unlike fraction but mixed fraction. Unlike mixed fraction, how to add? solution. First we have to take mixed, unlike mixed fractions, 2 4 by 5 plus 1 7 by 10. These two we have to take. Then after that, these unlike fractions means these mixed fractions we have to convert into improper fraction. Then how to convert improper into improper fraction? First we have to multiply these two, denominator with whole number. 5 2s are 10, 10 plus this numerator, 10 plus 4, 14, 14 by denominator 5, then after that plus, again with same denominator with whole number, 10 1s are 10, 10 plus numerator 7, 10 plus 7, 17, 17 by 10. Okay. Now we have to find LCM, 5 and 10 LCM. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, again with 2, 1 2 1s are 2, 5 into 2, 10 is the LCM. In 5 table, when you will get 10, 5 2s are multiply with 2. In 10 table, when you will get 10, 10 1s are multiply with 1. Then 14 2s are 28 by 5 2s are 10 plus 17 1s are 17 by 10 1s are 10. Now these two are like fractions. When like fractions are there, then how? Sum of numerators. Sum of numerators means 28 plus 17 by common denominator. Then 28 plus 17, that is 45, 45 by 10, 45 by 10. So if simplification is possible, then simplify it. These two are divided by 5, divisible by 5. So write 5 9s are 45, 5 2s are 10, 5 get cancelled. Then 9 by 2, 9 by 2. This is an improper fraction. We have to convert this improper into mixed. So 2 divides this numerator, 2 4s are 8 and 1 is a remainder. Then how to take? First we have to write quotient, remainder by divisor, 4 1 by 2. So 9 by 2 in mixed fraction, 4 1 by 2. Okay.